Hey, it's Tony talking Car Biz here at Smart Motors Toyota in Madison. Here we have a used 2015 Chevy Tahoe LS Edition in bright red. So the LS Edition is the entry level, if you will, but this has got some nice equipment on it. Factory installed running boards. It is a V8. It is four-wheel drive. Luggage rack up there on the top. Vehicle's in very good condition. 51,000 miles on it. Does have a Class 3 trailer towing package. And we do have a backup camera right underneath the bow tie there. Cloth interior with your fold down seats. Original floor mats. You can see it's in pretty good condition. It's running up to a 4-year-old vehicle now, so expect some wear and tear, but I would say this is probably average. Average mileage, average condition. If you're looking for an affordable 7-passenger full-size SUV, or maybe you don't want to go the minivan route, this might be a good route to go. It's right here at Smart Motors Toyota Used Cars in Madison. Let's go in and take a look at the interior. Okay, here on the inside you can see all your power extras: windows, locks, cruise, tilt, air, fingertip controls. This one does have 51,000 miles on it. There's your center stack. There is a backup camera. We have automatic temperature control, dual temperature controls for front driver, front passenger. There's your cup holders up front. You can see the seats are a cloth, and these are dual power seats up front. They're kind of a charcoal gray in color, and then you can see the dashboard and everything else is black. Here's your center console. There's plenty of room in there for cargo storage and what have you. And then in the back seat we do have rear temperature air conditioning controls for your backseat passengers and some power outlets as well. The back seats, there's a jump seat in the back here, so room for 2 people back there, and then here in the center seat, room for 3, so you got 5 7-piece passenger seating. You can see those fold up and down. A center armrest with cup holders, and again, it's a cloth interior. So there you have it, 2015 Chevy Tahoe LS Edition. Thanks for watching.